You see, Jesus was crucified on the x-axis to prove that both the negative and the positive were welcome to the kingdom of heaven. Because on the x-axis is where the graph of holiness is truly written at a stiff angle. Because on the x-axis, you see, but because we are blinded by sin, we could not find the complete equation of holiness. So God sent Jesus as the Holy and the Holy Spirit as the two variables to be the turning points in our lives. Now, thanks to this very same holy equation, we can now be able to find the very same vertical and horizontal asymptote, which is the boundary line between the deceit of the devil and the holiness of God. Because if God is sitting on the x-axis, the devil is sitting on the top quadrant, depending to be God. That's why the very same devil is now confused, asking himself why our sins are no longer current, but instead they're our axis. That's why he's situated on the y-axis. But you see, the devil is deceitful. Sometimes in the equation of life, when you're trying to solve for x, the answer is equals to x, then the devil tries to lie to you and tell you that you're undefined. But what you don't know, in front of every x, there is a coefficient of 1, which is the Holy Spirit. And if I speak exponentially, sometimes the devil tries to lie to you and tell you that your exponent is 0. But what the devil does not know is that when your exponent is 0, God says that you automatically become the 1. But excuse me, I'm not trying to take you back to mathematics class unnecessarily. I'm just trying to prove that if it wasn't by God, we've been doomed for eternally. But in simple terms, what I'm trying to interpret is that, you see, if I used to drink a bottle of Jack Daniels, thanks to the Holy Spirit, I can now be able to open the book of Daniels. If I used to bribe over a bottle of Castle Light, I then received the Holy Spirit, and then I realized that Jesus is the real Castle of Light. You see, if I used to drink Amarula, I opened my mathematics books and then I realized that in the geometry of life, God is the real ruler. But you see, what I'm trying to say simply is that my scheme sum, if you make God isidingo saw, you'll actually be able to avoid all the scandals of life. And if you do what I'm telling you, I promise you'll become the most bold and the beautiful.